Otra video para ti hoy. I wanted to show you how to convert the numbers in a transcript from a YouTube video and edit it with VI, which is a Linux editor, and remove the first 5 characters. I'm not sure why this is, but when you go to a YouTube video and then you click on the 3 little dots or the more actions, and then click on transcript, well, you get a transcript, but you get the timestamps. Well, I like to take these video transcripts from the videos I make and I convert them into blog posts. So this could be useful. Now, obviously, you don't want to plagiarize other people's works and, take a transcript and then, not give them credit or whatever. But what you do is you select all the text, so we'll go up to the top. I don't know if you can do Control A within Control A. No, I don't know why that is, but you just left click, keep scrolling down. Eventually you'll get the entire transcript, and then right click, obviously, or copy, or Control C. Then go to a text file, right click, paste, or Control V. Now you notice how that you have the timestamps, which it might be okay for you, but when I write blog posts, obviously you don't want timestamps. Well, I use bash within Linux, bash on Ubuntu on Windows. Now, you can obviously do this on a Linux machine, but if you don't have a Linux machine, you can install bash on Ubuntu on Windows, and I made a video about that, so it's on my YouTube channel. Now I'm going to transition to the bash on Ubuntu, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So now you are at the command line. So you're just going to use VI. VI is a command line editor, and then you're going to go into the transcript, and then, oops, maybe I did not save it yet. That might be why. So let me save it in Notepad, and then let me try to open it up again. Did I mistype it? Oh, duh. I'm being stupid. It's kind of late. Transcript.text file, Aaron. Okay, there it is. So as you can see, the timestamps are on the very left. And so what you can do to get rid of them is this command right here. So I'm going to do a colon, and then I'm going to go hit up. It's %s /caret ... 2 forward slashes. The dots are what's going to get removed. So that tells the VI editor to remove the first 4 rows. Or is that right? Or column. Well, the first 4 characters in each row. So you just hit enter, and then they're gone. So let me show you that command again. So in a VI editor, once you open the document, what you can do, once you open the text file, you can just hit colon, shift colon, and then you can type in the command, or mine was in history. And then it's %s / the caret 4 dots or 4 periods, and then 2 slashes. So that tells VI to remove the first 4 characters, which are numbers, in every row. And then now, I'm not going to do it again. Now I've got then to save it, now I've got the timestamps removed, and then I can go ahead and I can edit the text and then take out what I don't need and then format it the way I want. So you do, in VI, you do a colon, shift colon, WQ exclamation point. That stands for write quit. So it's going to write the changes, and then I will transition and I will show you the changes. I could add Notepad as a scene. Yeah, should I do that on a... Nah, I won't do that because you won't want to watch that. So now in the transcript, you just do a refresh. View. Let's see. Will it let me do a reload? It might not let me do a reload. Okay, so what I can do here is let me transition back, and then I will save it. No, I don't want to do that. I'll just show you the bash on Ubuntu. I'm almost done. Let me close it, and then I will reopen that file, and the changes should have been saved. So I just have to go find that document, transcript.txt, and then I will show you the on screen. There it is right there. You see on the left hand side all of the timestamps have been removed. I found that tip just studying. Now there is a script out there. I found one program out there that you can pay for. It's paid for, it's not free, where you can buy the program or the script and it will remove the timestamps. But I kept digging and searching, and I found the command for the VI editor that will do it for me. So there it is. So that's how you remove the timestamps on a transcript from YouTube. Now obviously if you like to keep the timestamps, then it's not productive. But if you want to write a blog post, well, you don't have to sit there and fucking, delete every 4 characters off of every line. Now I might have to find another way to try to format each sentence into 3 or 5 sentences per paragraph, but I probably won't be able to find that. But so at least I have the text down to this point. Now I can just go in here and remove any parts of the text that I don't want, and then obviously form proper sentences, and then, but that could save me a lot of time because most of what I need is already written. I just need to, write it into a proper blog post for my website, anetcomputers.com. If you think my information is, tip me if I solve one of your most common computer problems via super chat on a live stream, PayPal me. My contribution form at my website, anetcomputers.com, and or sign up to become a patron on my Patreon page. And all of those links are down below in this YouTube video description. Adios.